Visitor management, two approaches, one clear winner. Let's compare. Manual system, you arrive, grab a logbook, and start writing your details, only to realize the last visitor's handwriting is illegible. The receptionist squints. Is that an R or a B? Meanwhile, you're still waiting for verification. On average, manual check-ins take 5 to 10 minutes per visitor. Multiply that by 50 visitors a day, that's 8 wasted hours. With Vista, visitors simply scan a QR code or use facial recognition. Entry granted in less than 0.3 seconds. No waiting, no errors. The visitor is now inside. But how does the host know? Manual system, the receptionist picks up the phone. The host is in a meeting. Call goes unanswered. 5 minutes later, another call. Then another. Finally, a message. Your visitor is waiting at reception. With Vista, hosts get an instant notification, approve, reject, or forward the request with one tap. No chasing, no wasted time. Security matters, but how do you track who's inside? Manual system? Anyone can walk in, sign a fake name, and go unnoticed. No ID check, no verification. 80% of unauthorized access happens due to weak visitor verification. With Vista, every visitor is pre-approved or verified instantly. Access is granted only to authorized guests. No surprises, no security lapses. Once the meeting is done, what happens? Manual system? Did they leave? Did they sign out? The receptionist flips through pages, trying to match signatures. Guesswork at its finest. In manual systems, 20 to 30% of visitor logs are incomplete or inaccurate. With Vista, exit is automatically logged. No manual tracking, no missing data, just complete visitor records. Speed, Vista is 90% faster. Security, Vista ensures 100% verified access. Efficiency, Vista eliminates errors and delays. It's time to ditch outdated logbooks and step into the future. Upgrade to Vista today, because visitor management should be effortless,